Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be show you how I got unlimited coins and spins for Coin Master game. Absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called zaptweek.com and just scroll down and click on Coin Master online tool. Click there, guys, and now just click install now and wait to installing. So I test this many times and this is the safe mode, so this is amazing working mode. So let's wait a little bit and let's see the next step. Okay guys, and now we are on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Underdog Fantasy. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed 2 tasks and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully. So if you have this message, you're in the right way. So I just wait about 1 minute and nothing happens. So let's wait together. We still redirecting. So let's see, guys. Nice, guys, verification complete. Thank you for your content has been verified successfully. And next step, check your home screen. So guys, I will now show you. As you can see, we have this icon. I already download Underdog Fantasy and Travel Town. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.